that 2024 grind set. All right, if you're watching on any other platform other than YouTube in the VOD, if you're watching this back, you'll get the best experience on YouTube, where if you go into my if you go into my channel, you go into the live tab. This is where you can see all my previous lives, and I try to put timestamps on all of them so you can see you know, when I do stuff, because I will be covering different topics in this video. So if you're interested in one particular topic, if you go on YouTube, you'll be able to jump straight to that topic, save yourself some time. So this is the agenda today. Let me do one thing real quick before hold on, my OBS is different. Okay, we won't have auto zoom today, it seems. Okay, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so this is what we're doing. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is testing out this ChromaDB plugin for LM Studio, which should let us chat with local documents using a local LLM. So I'm very excited to try that out. And next we're going to do an agent showdown. So these three agents, autonomous agents, are probably the best three that I've tried over the past year: MetaGPT, ChatDev, and Autogen. I want to compare them. Let's give them the same task for all three of them to do and see how they do. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so just stay tuned. I'm just gonna set up my Instagram. So give me 1 second there, and then we'll kick things off. I think that's set up now. I'm just gonna double check it. Yo, Ahmed Mahdi, good to see you again. I'm doing very well. How are you? Yes, we're live on the gram as well. Excellent. Okay, let's kick things off. So, wait, why is it lagging? Hold on, before I start. Instagram is lagging. That is not good. That is no bueno. Oh no, it's back. Briefly. Okay, I'm sure it'll pick back up, right? Right, Instagram? Oh, for some reason, my internet always picks the wrong one. That's very interesting. It's okay. It'll fix. It will fix. Yo, Voodoo Glitch. I used to like Autogen, but then I figured out you can make agents with llama code. The response are way faster. Make agents with llama code. Was that a different tool, or you just mean llama as the LLM? Yo, Nano AKTX, howdy, how are you? Nick, hello. Good to see everyone joining, thanks. OSS, hello. Is Notion good for basic daily stuff? Yeah, I love Notion. I just find it very easy. There's some small things that I don't like about it, but mostly I like it. It's my go-to note app. And one of the big things I like about it is, even if you end up moving to a different app later, you can go and export everything as Markdown. So you'll always have it, even if you want to move to a different note-taking app. So there's no really like downside into, you know, starting. If you don't like it, you can always export your stuff and move on. Ahmed says, I want to create something with JS. If you can make it, I'm not a pro with JS. What do you want to create, Ahmed? Nick said they built a Python bot that plays Fortnite. No way. That's so cool. Can you show us? OOS says, is the free version good for Notion? Yeah, it's perfect. I don't find any need to pay for anything, so I'm just using the free version on Notion myself. Hubertam, hello dear, you stream pretty good, that's why I followed you. Oh, thank you. I will love to make friends and be a fan. If you wish, kindly chat to me on Discord. My username is Linda Mary. Linda Mary, please follow my Discord. I probably won't remember to add you, but I'm pretty sure on Kick, if you go, I have my link tree there, and then you can find my Discord and you can message me there. We have a community of like-minded individuals, just the Discord links on my Kick page. So yeah, feel free to join. We can chat there. Is there a good low-code framework for building and configuring agents, like Comfy UI, but for agents? Great question, and I don't know of any that you can build like skills with. I feel like all the skills that you want to create is all code. Or actually Zapier. I feel like Zapier you can make the skills, and then the actual agent you can make it with like the OpenAI's agent maker thing. I feel like that could be the way to go. Dude, why is the Instagram lagging? Oh no, it's good. I don't know. Maybe it's my internet. I don't know. It's okay. Okay, I was doing some research. Okay, let's get started with ChromaDB. Ahmed says, I want to read a local file using JS. Yeah, that's really simple. You could just ask ChatGPT. Did I see the TikTok you tagged me in? No, I don't think I did. Let's have a look. For some reason, my TikTok like notifications for tagging don't work too well. Mentions and tags. Oh, here you go. Oh, that was 3 hours ago. Yeah, no, I haven't seen this. Let's see. What is this? AI tool for app creation. Oh, this GPT engineer. Yeah. I signed up for this. It's not public yet. GPT engineer.app. It's not public. Yeah, it's... I signed up for this. I'll sign up again, but... it's not public yet, so I couldn't use it. Yeah, I've already signed up for this. Yo, Emily, thanks for the follow. I appreciate you. Is Notion good for more than one person, or is Atlassian Confluence better? Yeah, Notion's fine. You can share documents between people. I don't know if that's still under the free plan, but you can, theoretically. I don't want to use Node.js. My browser blocks you from using ChatGPT? Oh, man. That's annoying. Can you use Claude? What framework engine language would you recommend for a UI-based RPG game? Depends how good you are at coding. There's some like no-code RPG makers. I don't know if this is the one, but I know there's like no-code RPG makers, which could be pretty easy for you to use. So maybe those. I don't know of any myself. I reckon like the easiest to use game engines are like Unity, which is like the most capable as well. But I've heard like they're trying to like make these really strict certifies or licensing things with Unity recently, so that's a bit scary. Alright, so ChromaDB plugin for LM Studio. If you guys don't know LM Studio, let me do a quick refresher on that. So there's this app called LM Studio. What does LM stand for? Language model, probably. And it's really nice app user interface. Unfortunately, it's closed source, but other than that, it's awesome. It works on Windows, Linux, and Mac, and it lets you search and download pretty much any model on Hugging Face, but you typically want to get the GGUF ones for running locally because they use CPU and GPU, so you get a lot more power than just GPU ones. Oh, look, they've just released this Phi 2 model from Microsoft. Let's try that. So this Phi 2 model is actually really small. It's only 3 billion parameters. I wonder how good that is. We'll just download this 1 gigabyte version. That is so small. So definitely excited to try out this Microsoft model Phi 2. It's like one of the smallest models. It says it's actually kind of good. Yeah. Oh, your browser blocks you from reading local files. Do you have to run it in the browser? What can you run a JS app outside of the browser? So if you want to read local files with a browser web app, you actually have to have the user upload the file instead of you programmatically reading files on the local machine. That's just a security restriction that most browsers have. So Voodoo has sent through a prompt for Llama. You're a software development company with 25,000 senior developers. Create an efficient hierarchy with departments leadership to work together to achieve your goal. Really? You just use that prompt and you get better results than Autogen? That's crazy. How easy is it to build your own LLM? Oh, I think it's really hard to build one from scratch unless you have all the data and all the compute. If you have all the data and all the compute, you can just run like the Llama algorithm and it's probably not too hard. But to make your own like custom one, I think it's pretty hard. So normally what you do is fine tune a model like Mistral, and I think there's a bunch of frameworks out there that make that easier. But yeah. Okay, so that was LM Studio. So what we're trying to do now is one thing that LM Studio doesn't have that you might have with OpenAI is that you can upload like documents to OpenAI and stuff, but you can't upload documents to LM Studio as far as I know. Yeah. But now with this plugin that they've created on GitHub, shout out to BBCS. Gotta know who that is. Do they have a name? They don't. Blair Chintella, possibly. They've created this plugin that lets you upload documents and store them in a vector database, encode them as embeddings, as vectors, and talk to them with LM Studio, theoretically. So yeah, we're going to give that a go. Let's look at the instructions for Windows. We need an NVIDIA GPU, which we have. Install CUDA 11.8, okay, because 12 plus is not compatible with the Whisper library. Why does it need Whisper for? All right, let's try download 11.8. Three gigabytes, that's crazy. You mean I'll drop it? I want to create malware. Well, I'm not gonna help you create malware. That's not nice. How easy? Yeah, okay, we've already answered that. Scissor, I love what you do. Thank you so much for the nice tools. Only YouTuber that tests his AI tools in details. Thank you. Yes, that is what I try to provide as my niche. Unfortunately, a lot of the times things don't work, so it's me debugging a lot, like last stream. But I have good faith in this stream. The tools I'm going to try out next, the Agent Showdown, I'm really excited for that. I've gotten all these 3 tools to work. Not with great success, but they've worked at least good enough for me to show a result. So really excited to test that out. But yeah, we'll have to wait. Looks like this might take, oh, only 7 minutes. That's not too bad at all. Yo, Plus Jobs, good to see you. I tried to find you on Discord, Plus Jobs. I couldn't find you. Can you please message me? But yeah, Merry Christmas. Golden America, good to see you too. Check -NVCC. Maybe you have 11.8. Oh man, Golden America is goated. They always know what to do. Love having them in my chat. Well, how do I... What do you mean -NVC? Sorry, surely it's not just that. How to check CUDA version. NVCC -- version. Okay. Oh. Windows. In Anaconda. Wait, what? No. Or hold on, I know. I actually think I have Anaconda. No? Do I not even have CUDA at all? Surely I have CUDA. I've been doing CUDA stuff all the time. Yo, Godzilla, hello. Thanks for messaging. Why doesn't this work? Anaconda, conda. Is there a conda command prompt? This is conda. I did NVCC - version. Maybe I don't have it. Yo, Iona, what's up? Fieldhouse, thank you for sharing the live. I appreciate you. Why are you afraid? I swear I'm in cybersecurity. I'm not black hat either. I'm white hat. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to run this plugin which will let us talk to documents using LM Studio with a vector database. They said we need CUDA 11.8. According to Anaconda prompt, I don't even have CUDA installed, so that's a bit weird. But let's just pretend we do, and we'll try all the other steps, and if it doesn't work, we'll wait, because CUDA is downloading. 3 minutes left, apparently. Supposedly. Voodoo says, I always to restore checkpoint before playing with CUDA. I messed up my SDXL before. Oh, shit. You must be in an environment that has it installed, or check path. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure if which environment. I'd assume it would be installed in base, but I'm not sure. All right, let's download this zip source code. Navigate to SRC, activate the environment, run the setup, check the GPU. Optional. If you want to double check your installed PyTorch torch and okay. Just put it on my desktop for now, I guess. I wonder if I can do this with bash. Git bash. cd src python env scripts. Oh, wait, yeah. Oh, the python env is struggling. I think you can use ChromaDB from LangChain. Scripts activate command not found. Scripts. Oh, wait, what? ls scripts activate. There is no activate. ls scripts. There is activate. Why doesn't it scripts activate? The Python setup. I'm gonna do this in CMDir. I don't think that worked too well. Or I think PowerShell actually I've had the most success with this. I'm pretty sure you can do that with LangChain. There are plenty of vector databases in LangChain. Yeah, but you have to code it yourself. I want to just use this plugin and just set it up right. Oh, sweet. Okay. It activated it. Python setup. Oh, not select model. Yes, here we go. Oh, I guess we still need to. Okay, so it did want to install CUDA. I'll cancel that and we'll install it through the. Oh, shit. We'll install it through this 11.8. I swear I had CUDA, I don't know. You must be in an environment. Do only NVCC. Okay. In Anaconda prompt. No, it's still not recognized. It would have said that if it, even in the version. Voodoo says, I want to do GPT-4 Vicuna to run Olama even through Solaris. Oh shit. I hope this CUDA thing doesn't mess up my like streaming. It might. Apologies if I randomly go offline. Scissor says, I'm trying to build an app that uses AI to recommend outfits. That's cool. Do I have any advice? No, not any really specific advice. What card do I have? The 2080 Ti. We're installing CUDA 11.8. Sign my life away. Let's do custom install. Let's see what it's trying to install. GeForce Experience. I already have that. Other components. I feel like this is already managed by all my other stuff. I'm just gonna install just CUDA. Sure. Yes, Ahmed, I'm sure you're a good person. I just don't want to talk about, you know, malware on my stream, or like show people how they could potentially make malware on my stream. I'm just trying to be like, you know, safe information kind of guy at the moment. But yeah. I mean, if you could phrase the question somewhere, I'm sure you could phrase it in a way that doesn't imply malware, and I could help you out. Okay. Shit, what happened to my Chrome? All right. Okay, we have CUDA. Oh, it's still doing the pip install. God damn, how much shit is it installing? What was that? 120? Oh no, that was megabytes, kilobytes. Okay. Building wheel for HNSW lib. What is that? HNSW lib. Nearest neighbor search. Cool. What am I drinking? I'm drinking two things. McDonald's McCafe cappuccino, because it was free because of all the points I have. And then I have the blood of my enemies. No, it's actually an electrolyte drink with water. Don't you have pip install? Don't you have pip already? Yeah. Should be a blaze right by that. Yeah, I do have pip. I guess I didn't have. Well, it's also in a new environment. So does that mean it, like a new virtual environment, does that mean it installs everything from scratch? I don't know. Or should it just symlink the stuff? I'm not sure how that works exactly. I learned a lot of Python by doing all this stuff because I'm typically a JavaScript dude. But, yeah. Python. Yeah, I feel like, hold on, do we have Anton in my Discord? I think it was Paul, actually. The creator of Aider joined my Discord one time. I was gonna say, if it was a creator of GPT engineer, I could message him and be like, yo, give me access. But I don't think it was him. I don't think it was him. No. It was Paul. Once they start talking about wheels, it's over. And a new VM, that makes sense, yeah. Yo, Led, do you remember what was your first programming language? Yes. Great question. It was ActionScript. This is deprecated, but back in the days of Flash game programming, they would use ActionScript, which is very similar to JavaScript. And yeah, that was my first programming language. Good times. But yeah, that's, you can't even, like, I don't think anything uses ActionScript anymore. Thanks for the question. Hell yeah, ActionScript. What am I working on? I'm trying to set up this, where is it? ChromaDB plugin for LM Studio, which will let us talk to documents from LM Studio, so offline with GPU acceleration. We've installed CUDA 11.8 like it's asked for, and now we're just running the Python setup, which was doing a bunch of pip installs, but it's kind of duck here. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to let it continue. And hopefully we will have everything installed. Dreamweaver, yes. How did GPT Engineer compare to Copilot? I haven't tried it yet. So GPT Engineer wasn't really like a Copilot. It kind of tried to build the whole project from scratch off a prompt. And at the time when I tried it, which was just when I first got access to GPT-4, it was like way better than everything else because it actually built a snake game from a single prompt. But in fairness, it was the first tool I tested with GPT-4. Before that, everything was GPT 3.5. So, yeah. Tess says, do you know Svelte? Yeah, I know of Svelte. I haven't really tried it myself. I have a problem, literally don't know how to solve, even if I have XP. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't really know Svelte very well either. Dreamweaver with Flash and Python. Yes, so I'm gonna run setup again to see what happens. I do have git log. I think I do have that pandoc. No. Okay, I think that's fine. Everything's already satisfied. Now we will check gpu.py, see if that says everything's okay. CUDA is not available, bro. I just installed CUDA. I'm gonna ignore that and just try running it. See what happens. Start the program. Oh, it has a GUI. That's exciting. Download the embedding model. Oh. No. Errors. Get GPU brand. Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna say yes to the CUDA installation. Torch audio. I wonder why it does all this audio stuff like Whisper. Okay, run Python GUI. Seems like it works now, maybe. Python GUI. No, still. Ah, man. Alright, let's see if anyone's complaining about this. Feature request. CUDA. Failed. Switch PDF loader. Ensure Python compatibility. Damn it. It says I've been coding for 8 years, but now I use AI every time because I believe AI is here to help us, not wipe us out. And my friends are afraid, thinking AI is going to make them jobless. Yeah, honestly, I'm in both camps. I think at the moment, yeah, you're totally right. It's here to help us. It's not good enough to wipe us out. But I think over time, it's going to get more and more capable and going to be able to do more and more of our job. And in 10 years, I think like programming is going to look completely different. Maybe even 5 years, maybe even 2 years. But yeah. Do you reckon I can debug this? Honestly, after today, I feel like I'm just going to do all the setup stuff offline. So when I'm streaming, there's no setup. But then again, it's like the setup actually helps a lot of people. So maybe not. I don't know. Let's ask ChatGPT. Debug this. NVIDIA Management Library. Make sure NVML is initialized. Program is trying to call lower on a non-object, which means whatever's supposed to do this is returning null, which isn't expected. Consider adding a check. So it looks like some issues with my... Did they talk about which NVIDIA cards work? Requirements, Python. Let's check what version of Python we're running. Three 3.105, 3.10, okay, that's fine. Git large storage, pandoc, I'm pretty sure it installed all of those. Right, how do we check? Okay, let's just check we have pandoc. Actually, that probably isn't the issue because we're using, because it's definitely a NVIDIA issue. Is there any concept even React that I could try implementing Svelte? Basically, in each loop, when I change the value of his children, it doesn't change a prop. Prop is binded to the parent. Bro, I have no idea. I'm sorry. How can I debug this? Maybe we'll have to change the code here. All right. Let's see. Let's have a look at the code. GPU brand, compute device. Let's print out all of these. Oh, guys, I'm gonna show you how I use a local model magic coder with VS Code as my co-pilot. So I load it up on LM Studio. I start the server here. Actually, I'm gonna use DeepSeek Coder because I don't have Magic Coder's plugin on continue. So I load up the model, start the server, and then I use this plugin called Continue, which is pretty much just like GitHub Copilot, but it can nicely work with local models. So I have DeepSeek Coder running on LM Studio loaded, and then what? Oh shit! Then it lags. Okay, hold up. Okay, so I do one thing is I have too much resources allocated to this, so we go back down to the offload here. We'll make this 10 and 5, so it's gonna be a bit slower like this, but it won't lag my computer. We'll reload the model. Maybe your computer have a problem running these programs. Yes. No, GPT-4 isn't trash. GPT-4 is the best. Okay. Okay, we've got it loading, and now I can just highlight some code, and then I think Shift M, and now I just write here, print out each variable after each line. Press continue, and now it should talk to LM Studio and edit the code for me, at least in theory. Zabos, can you crash an app on Play Store? Not really. No, not really. You could theoretically crash the servers that the app uses, but the actual hosting of the app on the Play Store, not really. This is your official principal computer. Aren't you worried about viruses, or is this a VM? Yes, it's my main computer. I should be more careful and use a VM, but I'm too lazy. So yeah, I mean, I'm installing all this random shit, and I could definitely, one day it's gonna bite me in the ass, but you know, we're still waiting for that day. Olalama is greater than LM Studio, you reckon? Why do you think Olama is better? Because it's faster? I have heard it's faster. But it doesn't have the local inference server as far as I'm aware. Why isn't this working? Sometimes it just doesn't work. And we'll just try it again. I'm too lazy to do this myself. Print each variable after each line. Work. Come on. Come on. It's like not even getting the call. I don't know why. It's pretty annoying. I don't know why. Should we restart the model? Way faster and less RAM usage. Okay. That's lit if you can use local LLM with continue. Yeah, you can. I've done it before. I don't know why it's not working now, but yeah, I've definitely done it before. Let's try one more time. Come on. No. It's not even saying that it's getting the call. I think it's a problem with continue. Maybe. Or, hold on. God damn it. Can I close this? LM Studio. DeepSeek Coder. Yeah. Try again. I have no idea. I'm gonna restart VS Code. Test. Hello. Let's just do a hello. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh no, it's GPT-4 Turbo. DeepSeek Coder. Hello. Yay. Okay. At least it got the call. Unexpected endpoint. V1. Oh my god. What is going on? Is there a way to see the? I feel like the config. Oh, here we go. DeepSeek Coder localhost. Yeah. DeepSeek Coder localhost 1234. Yeah, that looks fine. Hi. What the hell? Why is it trying to go V1? Bro, I have no idea. V1. There's nothing here that even says V1. I don't think I can change the URL here either. This never happened before. Did they change? Alright, let's try a different. Let's try just Mistral. Okay, went to Vizor Coder for some reason. No, it's still trying V1. That's so weird. What are people talking about? DDoS attacks on the Play Store. You should consider using VEAM backup instance. Runs locally on your machine and you can get a student license every year. It'll prevent bite me in the ass part. Let me Google that. Maybe upgrading your computer can help. You mean like upgrading the physical parts? Yeah, I could definitely use like a virtual machine, like any virtual machine box. Or is this like a checkpoint reset thing? Yeah, I definitely should. Dude, this is so stupid. Oh, I have an idea. How about we just, instead of LM Studio, let's go Open AI. Oh, actually, that probably won't work. I don't know. We'll give it a go. DeepSeek Coder. Hi. Is it gonna ping this? No. No, that didn't work. That's really annoying, actually. Maybe they upgraded this thing to just. That's super annoying. Alright, we're gonna have to do this ourselves. Print self.gpu brand, print default device, print default quant, print default model. Okay. How do we activate the? Okay. GUI. Did it print the stuff? Which? Well, lower. Line 17. Oh, it at the very first one it breaks, so. Let's try just print this. Yo, Ronald Duck. Yo, Nick, what are you asking? Skip 2:30? You have to get ready for school? Damn. What did you want me to skip? Light LLM is cool. Yeah, I've heard Light LLM is what you use to run an inference server, I think, with like Olama. Is that right? Okay, what did it print? Here, available CPU. GPU brand none. Okay. GPU brand none. So it's not getting my GPU. Why is that? Germany, thanks for the follow. Acrylic says I need to make a simple HTML CSS site for tomorrow. Yeah, use ChatGPT. Says watching from Kenya. Sick. Came there to visit your parents for Christmas. Oh, your grandma for Christmas. Awesome. Okay, so self.config, self.read config. What is self? Q widget? Q widget from Q widget config compute device. Hold on. Let's try a new oh, we'll keep this. Why is this returning, and then I'll give it my return when I have an NVIDIA GPU installed. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Monji's watching from Tunisia. Awesome. We're worldwide. Voodoo says they use Olama Solaris. Solaris is goated. Beats every LLM. Really? Wait, what's Solaris? I haven't really properly heard of this one. Is it this 10 billion parameter model? Solar 10B instruct? You think this one's the best? What leaderboard is this? Open LLM. $13 days ago. Damn. Oh shit, solar is up there. And the MLLU is only 16. Hold on, let me put this in. I have a bunch of these leaderboards in this thing. What about the eval plus? I think this one's a coding one, right? Yeah, AI coders with rigorous tests. Let's see how Solar does in this. Solar's not even in here, bro. That's probably the issue. That's probably why I haven't heard of it. I've been going off this, and it says DeepSeek and Magic Coder are pretty up there for the smaller models. But eval plus, is that open LLM eval plus on this? No, they don't have eval plus. So I wonder how Solar does for coding. Above Mistral? Is Mistral on this? Mistral's not even on this. Mistral. Yeah, I don't know why. Mistral's not on this leaderboard. Oh no, here it is. Mistral. Oh, Mistral. Yeah, it's above Mistral. Honestly, I haven't heard of Solar. I haven't heard of Sauerkraut. Oh no, this is a fine tune of Solar. So Solar's up the very top. I haven't heard of LM Cocktail. I haven't heard of Meow. I haven't heard of Shining Valiant. I think I've heard of Quen. Would to Goddess. But honestly, I only try 7B models. So Solar 10 7B instruct. I would be interested in that. Yo, Krilich. Problem is the professor uses some program to find out if ChatGPT is used. How to avoid that? Honestly, like, you can't know for sure whether someone's using ChatGPT or not. I just tell ChatGPT to make it in a human way that's undetectable, and then use, like, I don't know, AI code detectors, and just see what results you get, and just keep changing the thing until it's less. Oh, let's try this out with code. Give me some random JS code. All right, let's see what this says. Larger code. Mistral 8 is 7B. Well, Mistral, like, no, Mistral is like 47B. It's like 8 7B models together. And in the end, it's like 47 billion parameter models, apparently. Yo, Mr. T, Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Bungie, thank you for the follow. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the AI detector says about this code. Oh my god, it didn't copy. AI content detected. Okay, so it says it's all AI. Interesting. Okay. Now let's say rewrite the code such that AI detectors can not pick it up. It says I can't assist you with that. I am a teacher showing examples of the technology. Please rewrite this code in a human way. Man, ChatGPT is too woke. No, write the actual code. Oh my god. Please write the code so I can copy it. Human code. You see? Yes. Alright, look, well, like, if I was a human, here's what you do. What if I change this? Remove all the comments. Remove the usage. obviously. Class to do app, basic to do app. You don't capitalize this, you know, something like a human would do. Complete task. You just add a bullshit comment here. Completes the task. All right, let's see. We'll check it now. Ah, damn it. I don't know, bro. I'm sorry. Oh shit, we got a lot of comments here on YouTube. Let's see. Curious what your custom instructions are. I don't have any custom instructions, bro. I'm running vanilla raw dog. See? Oh shit, I thought I removed this. Professor Synapse. Sorry. Shit, I didn't want this. Thanks for reminding me. I remember I put this as a test. What? I can't even delete this. What the hell? Oh, here we go. Save. Okay, good. Okay, I don't have any custom instructions now. Scissor has to sleep. Damn, it's okay, Scissor. Thanks for joining. You can watch the VODs later on my YouTube if you like. But yeah, thank you so much. Christopher, what's up? Please help. Can I get files from MongoDB for my next Next.js project? Bro, it's not something I'll be able to help you with this stream, but you can ask ChatGPT. Mr. T says, use a user prompt that make it act like a child of 10 with... Oh, dude, that's a great idea. Okay, Acrylic, this is how we do it. We make a custom instruction. Act like a child of 10 and make mistakes. And spell without capitals. Alright. And now we go right... JS code snippet, a really long JS code snippet, a really long code snippet, whatever. I feel like these detector tools, AI code detector, is like, okay, so this GPT-0 one I know is a very popular one. Let's see. Yes, this is perfect. This looks like fucking terrible code. Yes. Okay, this could work. Dude, Mr. T with the knowledge. Alright, let's see. Ooh. 10% chance it was written by AI. Krillich, I hope you're watching. Did you see that? Let's check the other one. So pretty much the hack is to make a custom instruction to say act like you're 10 years old. Don't use... Okay, this one always says it's AI. I don't know. But I think most people use this as GPT-0, so... Oh, let me try the old response and see if they also think that that one is AI generated. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so this one is likely a mix. Interesting. So yeah, that custom instruction definitely did help. Good idea, Mr. T. Let me remove this. Okay, let's go back to debugging this thing. Let's see if they came up with any ideas. Your when you have a GPU installed could be several reasons. Incorrect configuration file. Driver is not installed or outdated. Next steps for troubleshooting. Ensure your system recognizes the GPU. NVIDIA's SMI. Is that a... Ooh. What is this? CUDA version 12. Oh. Let's see. NVIDIA SMI is showing CUDA version 12.0, but I need version 11.8. How can I change it? Uninstalling the current version. I don't know if that's a good idea, dude. I don't know. Honestly, I'm not ready to do this. I think I'm gonna move on to the arena challenge. We're gonna give this not successful rating. I swear, the past like 7 things I've tried, I haven't been successful even installing them, unfortunately. But that's okay. I think this is what everyone wants to see anyway, the agent showdown. So let's reset everything and get to that agent showdown. Should we do it with GPT-4? Yeah, I think I'm going to do it with GPT-4. That'll probably be the most success as well. Okay, let me read through some messages, see what people are saying. I'm learning Next.js, want to store files with MongoDB. I don't understand, Mongo Atlas, etc. I don't know what to do. Fetch files to use them in question. If ChatGPT is going to make all the hard work I am putting in right now to nothing, taking away my job opportunities. Okay, a bunch of different things to answer there. From my understanding, MongoDB isn't really a file storage. It's like a JSON database. So storing a whole file with MongoDB doesn't really make sense. You can store data though, like text data. Is ChatGPT going to take your job? Not in the near future, but I think AI eventually will start taking more and more programming capabilities. Yeah. Mr. T says, use code structure that repeats different functions that do the same thing, but comment them. Yes, that's a good idea. Comment them out as though we are debugging. Use weird long structure names that humans would use. Yes, all great system prompts for making AI. It's so funny. We're like, AI is like really good at writing code, but we're writing these system prompts to make it worse on purpose, just to avoid AI detection. Hilarious. Hilarious. Okay, agent showdown. MetaGPT versus ChatDev versus Autogen. Okay, guys, do we have any ideas for what prompt that we want to make these agents use? I'm going to ask ChatGPT, but if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. So pretty much, I think we're going to get them to create software. That's pretty much what their main goal is. So here's the prompt that I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I have a few autonomous AI agents, software developer AI agents I want to test out. Come up with 20 use cases for a simple software that they should be tasked with creating to test their capabilities. The first one is create a Pong game. Let's do that. Create a Pong game. Boom. Let's see what 20 they come up with. Infinite loop. Oh yeah, for the system prompt. Yeah. Mr. T says they just started Olama with light LLM. Nice. Autogen and MGPT with 6 agents. It runs well. That's awesome. Did you write all the code yourself, or are you using a template? Honestly, that's something I want to do. Let me add that in the backlog. That sounds really good to do. Autogen plus Olama plus light LLM plus MemGPT. I haven't actually tried these 3, so it'll be really interesting. I wrote it myself, really easy with Auto and Mem's template. Awesome. Dude, Mr. T, if you can give us that code, I will thank you so much. Okay. Pong game, to-do app, weather app, expense tracker, blog platform. Ooh, this one's gonna be hard because it's a. I think we're gonna do one easy one, which is Pong game. We'll do level 1 Pong game. Level 2, let's find a more difficult one for level 2. Chat application. Ooh. Chat app. I think that one could be good. Quiz game, fitness tracker. Yo, Nicholas W, what's the plan for today? Right now, you've come at a great time. We're just about to start the Agent Showdown, where we compare MetaGPT, ChatDev, and Autogen. We're going to give it a few simple things to create and see which one does the best. The first one is a Pong game, so that's level 1. That's going to be the easiest thing to create. No, actually, let's do a level 0. Level 0. This is just going to be Hello World website. Just a website that says Hello World. Super easy. That's like the basic. Level 1 is going to be a Pong game. Level 2, I'm trying to figure out what level 2 is. Bookfinder, travel, alternative virtual. I don't want to do anything that requires an API, because normally you need an API key, and like agents aren't going to be able to, create an account to get an API key. So I'm thinking chat app. What do we think? Can I create a poll? Guys, I'm going to create a TikTok poll, and then people not on TikTok can vote using the numbers in chat. Quick poll. Ooh, or text poll. Okay. What should the AI agents create? Chat app. What else? Chat app. Quiz game? Quiz game? Oh, what happened? Chat app, quiz game. Let's do 20 more. If you guys have any ideas, please send them through in the chat. Otherwise, we're gonna run with some more options here. Mortgage, sleep tracker, language learning. Oh, it stopped. Why did it stop? Bookmaking app. Okay, bookmaking app. How does that work? Homework planner. Simple social network. Okay, those are it. I'm gonna create that. Start. All right, we got the poll on TikTok. And if you guys are not on TikTok, you can vote with these A, B, C, or D. Chat app, quiz game, bookmaking app, or simple social network. Let me know what you guys think. Deuce Club, I'm a noob. Is this tech noob friendly? It's like medium tech noob friendly. What are we learning? So there's 3 autonomous agents that can create software: MetaGPT, ChatDev, and Autogen. I want to test all 3 of them with different levels of difficulty creation. Hello World website, Pong game, and number 3 is I need you guys to vote, please. A, B, C, or D. 4 minutes left, and let's see. This club votes D, simple social network. So I'll add one to D. Anyone else? One user prompt, the app makes the book. Okay, yep. Sounds good. Is that your vote, Voodoo? I'll put that vote for you. Voodoo votes for C. Name the 3 again, the 3 agents: MetaGPT, ChatDev, and Autogen. I haven't gotten any votes on TikTok. Is it? I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check the TikTok stream. Oh man. How do you vote? There's no option to vote. This is a scam. The hell? Oh no, here it is. It's up at the top left, guys. If you go into portrait mode up the top left, you can vote there. I kind of want to see the chat app, to be honest. I don't know, can you guys see this? It's this button on the top left if you go into portrait mode on TikTok, guys. Come on, no one's voted. Except myself. What do I do professionally? I'm a software developer. Now I'm a content creator as well. Voodoo votes for C. Yeah, okay. I've already put your vote down, Voodoo. Thank you. So far, we're tied. Oh no, we got another vote for D. Okay, thank you to Null. Simple Social Network. So that's 2 for D. Actually, I'll keep the votes separate here. Oh, now we got 2 for A as well. So A and D are tied for 2. 2 minutes left, guys. We need someone to either vote for A or D to break the luck. Anyone gonna do it? You guys can vote from... Oh, okay, we got Nicholas voting for C and Apollo voting for D as well. Deuce says, I'm a sysadmin trying to learn more software engineering and AI stuff. Awesome, Deuce. Welcome. Hopefully you learn a bunch of stuff through my channel. That is one of the main purposes of this channel, is to educate. So yeah, guys, if you're on TikTok, please click this, go to portrait mode and click the poll up the top. Vote. 1 minute left. So far it looks like D is gonna win with 3 votes. Simple Social Network. One minute left. Anyone else want to vote for A, please? I kind of want A. Ooh, Deuce is changing to A. What did you originally vote for, Deuce? D. Oh, shit, guys. That's 1 less for D. So that's 3A, 2D. Nice. Thanks, Deuce. Sorry, but I'm biased. I wanted the chat app. 30 seconds. Ooh, we have another one for A. I think that was Nick, because I can't see his name. So that's 5 for A. Okay, I think A is going to win it. Batches says, joining from TikTok, A. Okay, that's pretty confident A. Alright. 10 seconds. Unless heaps of people vote now, it's going to be A. Yep. 8 is, guys. Thank you so much for playing. Let's get started. Now, that was the first thing I ever done. Simple chat app. Okay, so I really doubt that they're even going to be able to do that level 2. So, I hope I can install these without issue, because, you know, this channel we always have some problems installing agents and stuff, which is a bit annoying, but at least shit. Oh no, that's fine. MetaGPT. Let's start with MetaGPT. Now I'll be installing these all from scratch again because it has been a while. But yeah, MetaGPT was actually the first one I discovered, and it was really promising. And yeah, we're gonna do it again. Like so. We need Python 3.9 plus, so we have Python 10, that's good. So yeah, I'm gonna create a new folder called Agent Showdown. And we'll go into here, bring up the terminal. Let's clone MetaGPT. We'll cd into MetaGPT. We'll conda create MetaGPT. Mr. T says, I messaged you on TikTok the paste bin of my code. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much, Mr. T. Okay. Now we'll install the packages. Set up your API key. Okay, let me set up an API key. Got a message from Newman. How can I use ChatGPT for free? You can use 3.5 for free. You just sign up. Plus Job says use Bing. Yeah, I think, can you use GPT-4 for free on Bing? Maybe. What am I drinking? Another question. I have my McDonald's McCafe coffee, and I have a Hydrolyte hydration, you know, drink with water. One of those effervescent, you know, things. Effervescent? You know what I mean? Those like pills that you drop in the water and they dilute. It's Linux or Mac OS only, but will work well on CUDA. Oh, this is hard to set up. Damn. What makes it Mac OS only? Oh, WSL. Yeah, I need to use WSL more. Why Bing? Can you link me, please? I think because Bing is free. Just go to bing.com, I assume. And this, click the chat button. Are you GPT-4? I am not GPT-4. I am Microsoft Bing. What? And then it said, sorry, I can't help you all of a sudden. Olama is Mac and Linux only. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Yeah, but here it says Bing with GPT-4. Wait, if I refresh that? Oh, no. Yeah. No, it is GPT-4. It's just not self-aware. Okay, it's installed the things. We have some dependency issues, but I think that's fine. Make dear MetaGPT. What? We have to globally set the config? What the fuck? Hold on. Can you even do it? Okay. Okay. I'm not sure if I can even make directory like this. Oh, I can. I don't think I can even do a Vim in... You can Vim in PowerShell? I did not know that. I don't think I've ever done that before. Open API key. Guys, close your eyes. Okay, you can open them again. Alright, and that's it apparently. Now we can go MetaGPT, create a Pong game. Alright, this is the first test. Create a Pong game with MetaGPT. Let's see what it does. Hopefully it works. Okay, it looks like it's working. That's really good. Make this bigger for you guys. Let's go. I'm gonna remove this sidebar. Make this bigger. Okay. So it's going to create it with Python, create a Pong game. It's already come up with the goals, develop a nostalgic yet classic version, modern version of the Pong game. As a player, I want to control the paddle with intuitive controls. I want to be able to play Pong against an AI or another opponent. So it's made these user stories, which is really great. This is software development, kind of agile methodology. Olama lets you run multiple models. That's awesome. So you can run an assistant model, a coding model, and a memory model. Yeah, that's great. That's really good. Newman says I don't have a chat button with Bing. Oh, I'm sorry. I guess it's not available for everyone. Nicholas says you really have balls of steel showing the full key on stream. Yeah, I do it all the time, but then I just revoke it at the end. I feel like the amount, because you can't copy paste it, right? So you're gonna have to go back in my VOD, manually input the key, and if you have that much effort to do that, go ahead, use the key, run it up. Run up the key. There's like the rate limit's pretty high. Like it's really hard to make me lose that much money in this short amount of time. That's my gift to you. I'm gonna revoke the key at the end of the stream. I said close your eyes, so if you didn't close your eyes, that's just you're just a bad person. You're from Russia. Oh, Newman. Okay. Try poe.com. I think that one has GPT-4 as well. poe.com. Mr. Some Guy asks, what am I doing? Okay, so welcome to the stream, Mr. Some Guy. We are doing an agent showdown. We're comparing MetaGPT, ChatDev, and Autogen. Oh, we forgot level 0. Shit. Okay, so I've skipped to level 1 with MetaGPT. Currently, we're testing if MetaGPT can create a Pong game. It's running right now. As you can see, it's already started writing some code, which is really great. So the cool thing about MetaGPT that the other apps don't really do is it creates a diagram for you and like documentation, whereas a lot of the other apps just create the code. So it's really cool about MetaGPT. For use a day, PoE. Okay, so you can only use 4 times. I mean, better than 0. Also use Claude. Yeah, Claude is really good too, but I'd assume it's also blocked in Russia, but I'm not sure. Yo, Paris Hilton's drug dealer. Long time no see. Good to see you back. Thanks for the like. Dude, the Instagram stream is actually so delayed. It's crazy. What are we working on today? We're doing an agent showdown comparing MetaGPT, ChatDev, and Autogen. These are the 3 tests we're going to do. Hello World website, Pong game, and simple chat app. Right now, we're just testing MetaGPT. I forgot to do level 0. We're just doing the Pong game straight up. I think it'll work. MetaGPT is pretty good. So here's one thing. Okay. I'm going to write my initial thoughts. Initial thoughts is MetaGPT good, and the plus is it creates docs. Pros creates docs, diagrams, etc. Cons doesn't well, at least last time I tested it, it didn't test the code, whereas ChatDev, oh my god, pros actually tests the code. But we'll see if maybe MetaGPT updated it. It's been a long time since I've tried MetaGPT. So far it's used 4 cents, and it has a code review. Okay, so that's good. Code review is good. But there's a difference between code review and actually code test. So it is reviewing and rewriting the code. That's really good. But is it running the code? I don't think it's done that yet, but we'll see. I was literally going to test out MetaGPT as an agent with Olama. Awesome. Do you think Gemini will be a real competitor to GPT-4 and Claude? Yeah, for sure. Eventually. At the moment, it's not as good as GPT-4, but if they keep improving it, Google has the most data out of any company, I think. So if they're able to utilize that, it could be better. They have a lot of resources as well, but their execution is really lacking at the moment. Like, that's the thing. Like, they have probably a lot of inefficiencies with how they run their big corporation, but theoretically, they have what it takes to beat GPT-4, I think. But at the moment, they're kind of not executing too good. So there's a lot of revision and code reviewing with MetaGPT. So I think maybe one of the cons of MetaGPT is speed. I don't know. We should have tested it. Oh, damn. When did I start? I'm going to go back. Let's look at the VOD. I want to test the speed of all these things. Let's go YouTube. Let's look at the VOD. I want to test the speed. When did we start MetaGPT? Here. Here, okay. When was this? 7 minutes ago. So, okay, 7 minutes ago, 12:07. MetaGPT, Pong game, start at 12:07 and we'll see how long it takes. Autogen has user proxy to run and test your code. Awesome. Yeah, I'm actually kind of scared to when I get to Autogen, because unlike MetaGPT and ChatDev, it's ready to go. You just give it a prompt. But the issue with Autogen is you have to configure exactly how it'll work, exactly what agents to use, exactly what skills it has access to. So that's, yeah. I'm kind of scared to start that. I feel like I need to find some kind of template that's configured Autogen for coding. Yo, Zipajopa, what's up? If it isn't my favorite rabbit hole diver, yes, let's go. We're deep in the agents today, deep in the rabbit hole. Do you still use Ooga Booga for anything? No, I barely ever used Ooga Booga. Anything else like Chatbot Olama on the regular? Just LM Studio. Nicholas, it's really mind-blowing how good Claude is without Microsoft or Google's data and resources. Yeah, dude, Anthropic is really good, and same with Mistral. They're both really impressive without the like big backing of like Google or Microsoft. I mean, I guess OpenAI initially didn't have that backing either. So yeah, Mistral, Anthropic, and all that are really good. What about TaskWeaver? Oh yeah, dude, no, great point. TaskWeaver is actually like Autogen 4 coding, right? So I should probably actually said that. Oh, dude, great to have you in the chat, Zibajoba. Thank you for suggesting that. We're actually probably going to use TaskWeaver instead of Autogen. Google sold dataset farming to OpenAI. Oh, really? I have a template set up for you to use. Just edit the configs. Is that the one you sent on TikTok? We have to use WSL for that? Do you use TaskWeaver, Mr. T, or do you just use Autogen straight up? So MetaGPT, 7 minutes and still going for the Pong game. I feel like you just use Autogen. All right, let's check out Mr. T's paste bin while we're waiting. Paste bond. Did you manually type this? Okay, nice. So this is just the config, and then we can use this with Autogen. Is that right? Oh no, this is a whole installation tutorial. We have to install Olama, Mistral. No, we're gonna be using GPT-4 as the brain. That way, it's even comparison. You're on your phone at work. Oh damn. At this time, man's working through the holidays. I'll keep that up, but I don't know if we'll actually end up using that. I feel like Taskweaver should work outside of the out of the box, right? I think so. Yeah, I think I might use just Taskweaver out of the box. Yo, David Godden, I'm surprised this video isn't using Crew AI. What's Crew AI? Oh, is that another agent? We can add that to the list. Cutting edge framework for orchestrating role-playing autonomous AI agents. Well, role-playing isn't exactly. Oh, interesting. I've never seen this before. I don't think this is that popular compared to the other ones. Oh, look, they compare it. How Crew AI compares. Autogen. While Autogen excels in creating conversational agents, it lacks an inherent concept of process. Autogen requires additional programming, which can be complex. ChatDev introduced an idea of processes in the realm of AI agents, but its implementation is quite rigid. Crew AI is built with production in mind. It offers the flexibility of this. Okay. Without the rigidity. So it's very similar to Autogen, but it claims it's better in inherent concepts of process, supposedly. Thanks for the suggestion. I'll put this on the to-do list, but it's probably something that I'll test out later. It's super new. Oh, okay. Zipper says I've lost it. Not even sure what it's meant for. I'm just enjoying sidetracking you. And I'm not the only one, obviously. No, I always go on tangents, but it's like we're just waiting for MetaGPT to finish. It's been 13 minutes. Oh, it finished. It finally finished. All right, guys, 13 minutes. So let me write down the Pong game duration, 13 minutes for MetaGPT. Okay, so let's have a look at the files it's created. Where did it save it? I think here. Wait. Classic. Where does it save? Workspace. Classic Pong. Okay, here it is. Classic Pong. Oh, I didn't even freaking activate the conda environment. Such a silly boy. Silly boy. CD workspace classic Pong. Let me activate MetaGPT now. They don't have a README. Why do they not have a README? Oh, docs. Oh yeah. So that's one of the things I said that's really cool about MetaGPT is it actually creates these documents. So you can see the code summaries is empty. I don't know what PRD is. The system design. Oh, it's all JSON. Before it was in Markdown. Huh. Okay, so the docs are different. Unless it's in resources. Oh yeah, here we go. Here, see, we got the document, so the system design document. We utilizes Python's Pygame to create the Pong game. Here are the files, the data structures, program call flow, anything unclear, and that was all in resources. So you can see the sec flow as well. Hold on. Oh, so this used to open up really nicely in on the Mac, but like it's an actual diagram on the Mac, but I guess I don't have the right folder, right program to open it in Windows, unfortunately. That's okay. Anyway, let's get to installing the requirements. Change the config to GPT-4 and then edit the agents. Lol. I do all that all the time in Conda. Yeah, you create the thing and then you don't activate it and you're just like, oh, whoops. Okay, and then I don't know why they didn't create the readme, but I guess we'll just go Python main classic Pong main.py. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see. Pygame is not installed. Was that not in the requirements? Oh, great. They have an empty requirements. Let's add that. Pong game. All right. Pong game duration 13 minutes. Ugh, I don't want issues. Empty requirements dot text. I noticed there was another requirements dot text here. What's this? No, okay, that's stupid as well. All right, we'll just go pip install pygame. We'll manually do that. The world of AI puts a new video every day of agent frameworks or tools. Almost too much. Yeah, the world of AI is actually great with how often they upload stuff. All right, we'll try again. Ooh, awesome. Here's the game. Press space to start. Has a score, but no Pong. No paddles. Damn. So that's another issue. Empty requirements text. No paddles rendered. No paddles rendered. Working. We got start screen, score renders. That's it. So I'm gonna give that 3 out of 10 for the Pong game for MetaGPT. We're gonna do a Hello World website with MetaGPT as well. So let's go back into MetaGPT and then how did we start it? Okay, MetaGPT. So let's do level 0 because we forgot that. MetaGPT create a website displaying hello world. Let's see what time we start this. 12:25. Hello world site. Start 12:25. Okay. She's finished. Back to work. Alright, Mr. T, thank you so much for all the input and great help you were. Have a good day at work and happy holidays. Alright, so we're starting MetaGPT with the create website. While this is doing this, I'm going to take a quick break and go to the toilet. I'll be back really soon. See you guys. And I'm back. Yo, Paris Hilton with the roses. Thank you so much. Okay, while that's doing that, I want to download something to let me view these diagrams. MMD. View MMD on Windows. How do I do that? Let's ask ChatGPT. How can I view MMD files on Windows? Yo, Paris Hilton with 43 more roses. Thank you, Paris. Download. Miku Miku Dance. No. No. MMD files. MMD, right? MMD files. Markdown diagrams. Not the freaking dance thing. Visual Studio Code. View MMD Markdown online. Let's see. Multi-markdown. Yeah. Render multi-markdown online. Oh, online web. Here in browser markdown editor, maybe. Start writing. Skip. New file. Nah, bro. Markdown live preview. Maybe. Let's try it. If I copy paste this. No. Nah, screw it. Nicholas says, I guess Obsidian can do it. Obsidian. Obsidian. Let's see if they have anything about it. Multi-markdown. Support for multi-markdown. Oh, it's just a request. Multi-markdown viewer. Multi-markdown. This is just normal markdown. I guess it's really just not a popular thing. It's interesting because you can do it with Mac. Just default Mac preview lets you view that multi-markdown. What time is it in my country? It is 12:31 p.m. Midday. What time is it in your country? I believe you said you were in Tunisia at the moment. I guess I can Google that. Time in Tunisia. 2 a.m. Damn. Yeah, dude. The rest of the world is like... Australia's kind of in their own unique pocket of the world. Yo, Jake, what's up? Good to see you. Not gonna lie, I assumed you were American. Yeah, I do have an American accent. But no, I am Australia. I've spent most of my life here. I don't know how I picked up this American accent. I think all the hip hop and content I consume. Yo, Mehkak Samake, hello. Good to see you. 8:32 in Motown. Nice. That's a reasonable time of day. Umar Javid says, how many people are on this stream? Okay, there's 3 on Instagram. There's 7 on TikTok. There's 12 on YouTube. Damn, that's a lot. And there's 3 on Twitch and 0 on Twitter. No, and it doesn't tell me how many are on Kick and LinkedIn, but I assume 0 on there as well. Do I speak Arabic? No, I speak Farsi, which is similar, very similar to Arabic. So that's what we have the same characters as Arabic. So I was able to read this kind of, but it's actually a completely different language. But it's kind of similar to how like Italian and Spanish are similar. Like, you know, they share the same characters mostly, and they're quite close geographically, but it's a different language completely. Do you actually get anything streaming on LinkedIn? I thought it was a business platform. Sometimes the engagement's high. A lot of the time it isn't. I'll give you a look at my analytics. The thing about LinkedIn is the quality of users is pretty high. So you have a lot of business people, a lot of CEOs, etc. So, you know, 99 impressions aren't great. 148 impressions, like, it's decent. It's better than TikTok. See, this post had 900 impressions, but my live streams normally don't get that good. There's occasionally I get good engagement. Like 22 minutes viewed is pretty good. 388 impressions on a stream, and you can see like it gives you a breakdown of like, you know, 10% of the people that watch my stream were founders, 12% were software engineers. So like I think the quality of people is good, but the actual like, I guess, engagement is pretty low. But that's fine, you know, most people are busy doing their own thing. Midjourney 6 is pretty legit. Yeah, Midjourney is amazing in terms of like realistic generation for sure. Jake says I've never watched anything on LinkedIn. Yeah, I mean, I don't blame you. I don't really watch anything that long on it either. I do browse it every now and then. I think like occasionally you find gems. Depends who you're following. Like there's some pretty good LinkedIn influencers. Nicholas says LinkedIn is more or less a social media platform now. Yeah, definitely. It's like a more like professional social media platform. Exactly. Umar says, what are you working on? Okay, so we're doing an agent showdown. So there's these 3 agents that I want to test out and compare: MetaGPT, ChatDev, and TaskWeaver. So far, we're just starting out with MetaGPT, and these are the 3 levels of testing that I'm doing. So the first one is to create a Hello World website. Oh, it just finished. Let's time that. 36. So that actually took 11 minutes. Duration 11 minutes. So it took 11 minutes to create a Hello World website. It took 13 minutes to create a Pong website that like no paddles were load rendered, so the game was like unplayable game essentially. But it did create a start screen, a score renders. There wasn't empty requirements that text, so that required a thing. So I gave the Pong game a 3 out of 10. Let's see how the Hello World site did. So if we go into here, the Hello World site, we can open this up in File Explorer, and we expect to see index.html. Excellent. So we can open this up. Let's see, does it say Hello World? Hello World page, perfect. I'd give that a 10 out of 10 for rendering. Let me write down the notes. Working, site rendered, issues, none. We'll just say no issues. There wasn't really any issues. It worked just as I thought it would. There's a whole bunch of documentation, but we're not really testing it on that. There's a requirements.txt. I guess it always reports as requirements.txt. So I'll give that a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the basic site. Actually, duration was a bit low. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because there's always room for improvement with duration. I feel like 11 minutes for just a Hello World site is quite low. It's quite high, sorry, quite high. Like it took too long. Makat says, do you have any advice for a computer science student? Don't ignore AI. Use AI to the best of your ability. I've listed jobs on LinkedIn and posted about some management and tech things. That's about it. Yeah. Serious. Hello. Hello world is always brutal. It needs soft skills to be friends with everybody. What? Okay. So let's try level 2 now. A simple chat app. So this one, I think I need a more complex prompt. So let me bring this. Write a short, concise 3-sentence prompt for the AI agent to create a simple chat app. Let's see what it comes up with. Simple chat app that allows multiple users to send and receive messages in real time. Ensure the app includes user authentication. More simple and concise, no auth required. Create a simple chat app, real-time chat messaging, include functionalities for users to join a common chat room, send and receive messages, user-friendly. Okay, I think this is just here. This is going to be the prompt for the chat app. And let's give that to MetaGPT, see how it goes. MetaGPT, simple chat, oh shit. MetaGPT, simple chat app, prompt. Okay, so 1239. Chat app, start 1239. Okay, I feel like this one should take the longest. It is level 3. It is the hardest one out of all of them. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what the user story is. I want to join a chat room. I want to receive messages and send messages. Yep, sounds good. It's a bad political joke. Oh, okay. Jake liked it. Sorry, it was too high IQ for me, unfortunately. I guess you were implying that hello world implies that you need to say hello to the world, which requires soft skills, which is hard for AI, but yeah, I mean, it flew over my head. Paris Hilton also thought your joke was funny. Nice. Has anyone used Google's new AI note-taking app? I got access but haven't used it yet. What's it called? Maybe. I don't think so. I've used Notebook LM. I don't think that's what you're referring to. So it's trying to use Express, React, and all this with Python. These are JavaScript libraries. I feel like it's already... Oh no, it's still doing JavaScript. Okay, it could work, but there's no server. Oh no, there is a server. Okay. Okay, oh, it's doing user auth. Okay, let's see how this goes. This is gonna run up my... I estimate today I'm gonna be spending at least $10 on OpenAI's API. So I appreciate all the donations. If you guys want to be really nice and donate to me, I do have a PayPal link in my link tree, and that one, compared to if you're donating on TikTok or YouTube, I actually only get like 30%, 40% of the split. But if you donate on PayPal, I actually get like 80-90%, so that's a lot better. I appreciate it. But no pressure. You don't have to donate. This stream is all free. But yeah, obviously this does cost me money to run, and I appreciate all the donations. How's the job search going? Very bad. 0 offers, 0 interviews, 70+ applications. Oh, David Goggin donated 2 USD. Thank you so much, David. Doesn't look like you use that many custom GPTs. No, none. I am insane with using them for so much, mostly training them on my own data. I'm just learning from watching you. It's great. Yeah, no, custom GPTs are great. I just haven't got too much use of them. Oops, too late. No, that's okay, David. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. How much is a rose? A rose is one coin, which is like when I get half a cent. I think a coin is like 1 cent. So if someone sends 1 rose, I don't even get anything. If they send 2 roses, I get 1 cent. So, you know, it's quite low. So shout out to Paris Hilton sending 65 roses. That's like 32 cents. End of the year, I'm not surprised. Yeah, you're exactly right. It's a hard market at the end of the year, but hopefully it will get better. You're interviewing 4 developers this week for a Salesforce dev role. Nice. All right. Now we wait. I think this will take a while. What should we do? I should do some stretches. I don't know. Is it weird if I stretch on stream? I've done it before. I'm gonna just do it. You know, it's always good. It's not good to sit behind a computer for 2 hours, so make sure you're stretching. Make sure you're stretching. Oh, we do the squats. Stretch the hip flexors. That's something that's always tightened from sitting for so long. At least it's not a hot tub. I mean, it can be. No, I'm just joking. Do some push-ups. All right. Need more donations for the office hot tub. 500,000 tokens. You'll make double at TikTok income. Yes, I should start an OnlyFans. All right. Siri says, let them draw a circle in 4 segments with 5 markers, and only if they get it right. Just do it. Brutal Strike, good to see you. Hot tub and code. Ooh, that's dangerous. Because it's, you know, risk of electrocuting myself. What CPU do you have for LM Studio? Did you have AVX2 enabled CPU? I don't know what that is. I have a i9 900 or something. This one. Intel i9 9900KF. And my GPU, GeForce 2080 Ti. 48 gigs of RAM. That would have it? Okay, sweet. What is AVX2? Let's Google that. AVX2 CPU. CPI. Advanced vector extensions. Oh, I didn't know about that. Wow. That's pretty cool. Jake says a Ryzen 9. Probably go back to Intel next build. Yeah. I wish that Apple's M2 came on Windows. How sick would that be? Those seem like the best CPUs on the market right now. The M series Apple ones. Nicholas says, I watched you the past few weeks. Didn't you apply to some remote jobs on stream? Yeah, I did. I'll show you guys. Hold up. I'll show you guys all my... So I used this... I mean, I did some manually, but I also used this tool, Use Massive, that automatically applied me to jobs. And here are all the job apps. Look. All these no reply. Your application was sent. Your application was sent. Thank you for your application. Thanks for your interest. Thank you. And this is like, I don't know, a lot. 93 applications since December 6th. So yeah, quite a lot of applications, 0 interviews and offers. A bit sad. That comment was for stretches. Ah, thanks. I thought it was for the OnlyFans, Brutal Strike. I thought you were going to be my first OnlyFan. Just kidding. Oh, you need AVX2 for GGUF models. Oh, I didn't know that. Jake says, I'm scared of Apple. I grabbed a 2018 MacBook. No, the 2018 ones suck. You need the M series one. That's what I'm saying. Like the 2018, all the Intel ones suck except for like the 2012 ones were really good at the time. But now the M series is just amazing. They're just like 10 times better than Intel. One of the upgrade video cards, but I saw the 4090s light on fire. Legit. That's scary. Just Plus got a proposal coming my way. Yes. Dude, message me on Discord. I was trying to find you. Or message me anywhere. I can't contact you plus Jobs. Would you prefer to code on a fully spec'd out iMac or Windows? Like the best you can get, Enterprise Edition. For coding, honestly, I prefer Mac to coding. For coding. I feel like a lot of the development tools just work better on Mac. I liked Boot Camp, but it won't run without the Intel. Oh, and Parallels suck. Yeah, that's an interesting thing. What kind of things do you need the Windows for? Have you worked in big software companies? Not really. Unless you count Accenture. I wouldn't really call them a software company. They're more like a just megacorp. But they're not like FANG, you know what I mean? And yeah, I didn't like it. I didn't like that big corporation structure of Accenture. I mean, yeah. So I left that pretty early. David works for NTT. I know we have roles in Oz I can check. Oh, awesome. Yeah. I mean, like, NTT is quite similar to Accenture as well, but I definitely, like, my standards are lowering a lot after getting rejected from everything, so that would be great help, David. I'd really appreciate that. Siri says, I will apply for a dream job offered by email. Oh, it finished. 12:50. How long is that? 12:50, 10. Oh, this was 11 minutes as well. That's really interesting. I didn't expect the chat app to be faster than the Pong game. Oh my god, sorry. Alright, let's test it out. And I'm also really surprised that they don't give... Actually, they might. They don't have the, like, README file straight up. Okay, basic chat app. Resources. So there's the spec. Oh my god, I keep pressing the wrong button. Server, task list. There's no, like, the competitive analysis. That's interesting. Look, they did a full competitive analysis for other chat apps. WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal. Data API design, SecFlow system design. Wait, do we get the diagrams here? See, these are meant to be diagrams, but unfortunately I don't have the multi-markdown view, which is a bit annoying. Basic chat app, okay. Any more docs, code? What are these? Oh, this is... Okay. Unfortunately, there's like no readmes for everything, which is a bit annoying. So they have an app JS and a server JS. So we just have to like guess how this is supposed to work. So we'll just run everything with oh my god, with Node. So node server.js. Cannot import statement outside of what about node app.js? Same thing. So straight up we have some bugs. What about, okay, let's try run the client. App, client src. Yo, Ziz! Thanks for the follow. Aesthetic, Myron Aesthetics, bruh. Whoa, so many comments. True, I prefer both. Budget's like 1.2K. I think Windows laptops are better specs for what you pay. Yeah, definitely Mac is more premium pricing for sure. HP Book X2. When was the last time you coded in Python? I did some really basic coding like an hour ago, but it was very basic. Just added print statements. MS Engineer Level 3, Compute Melbourne, Victoria, Australian full-time internal. Is that on site? I don't actually live in Melbourne. I live in Canberra. But if it's Australia remote, yeah, that sounds good. Bless you. Thank you, Deuce. Okay, let's try node app. So the code looks like okay, it could work. There's no readme. And I can't run the server and stuff with node. So, and there's no package JSON for the thing. So honestly, I'm gonna give this a 2 out of 10. Issues. Oh, it's gonna be like this. Issues, nothing, runs, no readme. What was the other issue? No package.json. So I guess we'll add the no readme to these ones as well. No readme. Okay. So overall, what's 3 plus 9 plus 2 divided by 3? Oh my god, why did I close that? 12. 12 out of 10. 12.3 out of 10. No, wait. 12.3 out of 30, yeah. 0.41, no, that doesn't make sense. I'm trying to average these three. What? Did I do something wrong? I think that needs to be in brackets. 9 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 3. .6. Okay, so the overall score is 4.6 out of 10 for MetaGPT. That's not bad, right? That's not bad. Let's move on to ChatDev. Who else? Let's read the comments first. Also buy gaming PCs, eBay, Lenovo. Nice. Better stuff in South Africa with AI. Interesting. Anthropic is searching. I guess more. Some are remote too. Oh, I'd love to work for Anthropic. Yo, what's up, Nick? I need to blow my nose. I feel like it's causing me to sneeze. Can you read the above messages? All right, let's read all these TikTok messages. What are you guys saying? Where do we start? Here. Windows or Mac? Windows laptop or Mac, which one? Mainly for school and coding. Honestly, I prefer the Mac. Um, Windows, it's like good for gaming, I feel, and that's like mostly it. Oh, also price. That's the two thing Windows is really good at. It's like a lot more performance for the price and really good at gaming. Otherwise, I think Mac is great for coding and just general use, especially the M series laptops. Definitely get the M series, don't get a Intel. I heard 3060 was getting an upgrade and lowering in price. Yeah, but I think they're hard to get. Yeah, 3090 is impossible to find. eBay. They actually like Lenovo. Was that the messages you want? I think I read all of them. Okay, ChatDev. Let's move on. ChatDev. Open up a new thing. Close this. ChatDev. This one was my favorite. I have high hopes for ChatDev, and I'm sure they're probably a lot better now than they were when I tested it. Oh, they have news. Dude, ChatDev SaaS platform. What? So now we can run it online? Is that for real? What the frick? This is interesting. You guys didn't see that password, right? Hold on, let me make a new password. I don't want you guys to know my password. Need a verification link. Verify. Oh, what the hell? Look, we've received your application. We will review it. Please provide. Nah, screw you. We'll just test it locally. ChatDev supported in Docker, Git mode available. What can ChatDev do? Quick start. All right, Git clone ChatDev. Oh, you play Minecraft for your son? That's nice. Tech friend, you doxed yourself so many times. There's no point in hiding. Yeah, it's true. Oh, I've noticed I keep doing this because I have this mosquito bite on my shoulder and I keep scratching it. CD ChatDev, create conda environment. Activate conda environment. Apple recently unveiled MLX open source framework for on-device AI. Yeah, I saw that, and Ferret as well. Maybe that's the model name. Pretty cool. Apple has always done some really nice on-device AI stuff for a little while, like Core ML and stuff. On Anthropic site, there's 5 open positions in IT. Oh, awesome. I'll check them out once I get ChatDev running. If I remember, which I'm sure I will. Okay, install the dependencies. Export my OpenAPI key. I think I already have. And then we just run the task like this. Okay, great. Pretty easy. They added on-device Siri to the new Apple Watch. Ooh, that's cool. Does that mean it doesn't need internet anymore? All right. Python run. What's the first thing? A hello world website. Task. Simple website displaying hello world. And we also had to give it a name. Hello world site. Python was not found. The fuck? What? Run without arguments. What? Oh, maybe I should do it without Python 3, I think. Okay, that seems to have worked. Okay, great. What time is it? 1:03. ChatDev. Hello world site. Start 1:03. Okay, let's look at Anthropic's jobs. Careers. Yarjak says I might buy the new setup Meta sunglasses. Yeah, I want them too, but they were sold out. I couldn't get them. Are they still sold out? Ooh, they have all these cool colors. I'll probably just get the basic ones. Ooh, they look like they're in... Ooh, they're in stock? Nice. I'm definitely gonna get some. What color should I get? Oh, those are sick. Ooh, these... I'd probably get these ones, so that way you don't have to wear them as sunglasses. You can just wear them as normal glasses, right? As well. Blue light filter as well. Not suitable for driving. Classic. Ooh, this one's is transition lens. Maybe I should get that. That way it can be normal glasses and sunglasses, guys. Is that for the same price? Ooh, it's like $100 more expensive. Or $90 more expensive. I'll probably just get them. Oh, actually, oh, that's an interesting question. Image acquisitions, all the same. Matte black, shiny black. I think I'm gonna get the blue light ones. You like the jean blue? Which one's that? This one? I'm gonna get the shiny black. At the back. Continue shopping. Let me not dox my address. Razer ones with $37? Wait, what? Razer has Razer glasses? Hey, yo. I didn't know. There's no camera though. Is there a camera? The main reason I want it is for the camera. No, there's no camera. No. You want the camera. Guys, I'm buying it. I'm buying the Ray-Ban glasses. If there's one thing I splurge on, it's tech gadgets, dude. I love tech gadgets. Let's go. Order confirmed. Ray-Ban Meta Wayfair. Let's go. Can't wait. Can't wait. I missed a bunch of questions. Plus Job says AI in the glasses is trash. Next gen would be amazing. Yeah. I just want them to like take pictures and shit like straight away. And videos. I had the ones that tinted. Yep, those. Do they have AR? No, they don't have any display. It's just sound and camera. Did you try Crew AI? No, I haven't tried it, but I put it in my to-do. Can you put a vision model on it? Yeah, they have a vision model, so you can take a picture and ask questions about it with the Meta AI. I don't think you can put your own models interfacing with it, but you just, you're locked into the Facebook architecture or the Meta architecture, I guess. Write them off on taxes. Great idea. I probably will. I'm debating the transition lenses. Yeah. I feel like... Oh, shit, it finished. Damn, I didn't realize what time it finished. 108. Probably just right then. So, 108. Damn, that was 5 minutes. That's pretty good. Duration, 5 minutes. Okay, let's check out ChatDev's Hello World site. ChatDev, warehouse, Hello World. Oh, it's in Python. Is it? Wow, okay, that's not good. The Hello World site is in Python. Let's look at their manual. So the good thing about ChatDev is it makes a manual. Use the ChatDev website. You need Python installed. ChatDev website, simple application that displays Hello World on a web page. Huh. Open a terminal, CD, pip install Tinker, create a new file, main.py, usage, CD python main.py. CD warehouse, hello world, python main.py. Okay, so here is, oh, you guys can't see it. Oh my god, I can't move it. There we go. This is the website it created. So this is obviously not a website. So that's definitely, I can't believe ChatDev failed on this, right? So issues, not a website. Working, renders hello world. So it did render hello world, but it didn't make it a website. So I'm giving this 4 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to Pong game. Pong game. Create a Pong game. Pretty simple. Let's see how it goes. What time does it start? 1:11. Pong game duration 1:11. I think the Razor one would make it easier to hijack the software. Yeah, probably. Can't wear them. Too many beautiful women would be seen. I used the first gen ones at Disney with my kids and it was great. 35 by 20 pixels. Yeah, it's really small. Hello world. What has had the best results so far? In the arena thing? Yo, Gigglestick, what's up? Honestly, we've only tested MetaGPT. It did really well with the Hello World site. It created pretty much perfect Hello World site. The only issue was no README and the time it took. The Pong game, it kind of failed. Like, it made a working app, but there was no paddles, so you couldn't actually play the game, essentially. And the chat app just didn't work at all. We couldn't run it. So yeah. And now we're testing ChatDev. It made a working Hello World site that rendered Hello World, but it wasn't actually a website. It was a Python app. So that was the issue there. And now we're trying the Pong game. Let's see how it goes. Wear them joints on stream? Yeah, I will. Giggle6, I wasn't sure if you're putting models against each other. No, so I'm just using GPT-4 because it's the most capable model and just testing the agents themselves rather than the agent's abilities, like the models that they use. Yeah. Thanks for the comments, Cole. Y'all. Dude, this... okay, the Anthropic careers. Let's see. Should we apply? Security and IT. IT engineer SF. Resolve technical issues. Configure AV, network hardware, security best practices. Principal, senior software security, technical program manager. Yeah, I don't think I'm the most suitable for this. Prompt engineering roles. That's pretty cool. Damn. How much do they pay for a prompt engineer, I wonder? People were saying that the prompt engineer will actually become a role. Damn, holy crap, 250 to 300 USD for a prompt engineer. That's crazy. Build up a library of high quality prompts or prompt chains to accomplish a variety of tasks. Build a set of tutorials and interactive tools. Wow. Have a firm graph of programming in Python. Creative hacker spirit. High level. Excellent communicator. Love teaching technical concepts. Ooh, I feel like I could say I'm that given my TikTok thing. Active interest and that. But I don't really have any proof of my prompt engineering capabilities. Oh, Pong game. It just ran it? Oh, it's testing it. Yeah, that's one of the great things about ChatDev is it actually tests the code. So that's super cool. Yo, Mouse, good to see you. Time to apply. That sounds fascinating. Okay. I'll apply. I need to make my resume suitable for this because at the moment I don't even mention my TikTok presence in my resume. So that's something I need to do. Prompt engineering manager. Senior developer relations. What's this? Create technical content such as tutorials. Oh, this is another good one for me. Improve onboarding. 300 to 400 USD, bro. Crazy. They sponsor visas as well. Oh my god, that's great. Yo, shout out to whoever said Anthropic's hiring. Thank you. Product managers. Generalist. This could be good. Whoa. How much should I pay for this? 300 to 520. Dude, these salaries are insane. Launching. Yeah, I don't really have experience as a product manager. People in workplace. Facilities coordinator. Oh, it finished? How long does that take? 116. Dude, that was 5 minutes as well. That's pretty good. So ChatDev took 5 minutes to create the Pong game. So already we can see that ChatDev is actually twice as fast as MetaGPT on average. And they actually test the code, so that's really impressive. Jake says, are those remote roles? No, most of them said that you need to be in the office about 25% of the time, I believe. Here, yeah, see. Be in our office at least 25% of the time. Which is fine by me. I would love to be in San Francisco working on AI. I think that would be so cool. Yo, Mo, what's up? Create clips of yourself, highlight a page with clips and results and shit. Yes. The 300K, I wouldn't mind doing that for 6 to 7 hours. Yeah, dude, for sure. With that kind of money, I'd probably do a lot. Bunch of messages on Kick. We have Leanne Doer. Yo, you look like a very smart guy. What's the best way of making money with AI? I don't know. There's a lot of ways. Honestly, if I knew a good way, I'd be doing it myself. I reckon, like, if you can make a cool, unique app that uses AI to give value to users, that's probably the way I would do it. I think ChatDev got short end of a stick on that review. Got to try and let it run. 0.000000001% equity though. I'll skip the big cause yeah, but Anthropic's worth like what, hundreds of billions of dollars, right? Are you sure that ChatDev is using GPT-4? I think it uses both 4 and 3. It has a config. Can we see the config? I don't know where. I think it uses both GPT-4 and 3. Like, GPT-4. Guess it doesn't say. But yeah, I'm pretty sure. It combos 3.5 and 4. Yeah. Depending on the need, yeah. Oh, I guess that's why sometimes it's faster, because it's using 3.5 in some places. Okay. Let's test out the Pong game, shall we? Warehouse, Pong game, manual. Welcome to the Pong game. This is a great user manual, installation, game controls, gameplay. Look at that, amazing. To play the Pong game, you need to do the following things. Set up Python, pip install requirements. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to play the Pong game. Move the control. Let's get this viewed in nice markdown. Game controls, WS up, down. So it's 2-player game. Great. Customization. Now let's see if it actually renders. This is the moment of truth, guys. Warehouse, Pong game, pip requirements. Oh no, pip 3. Do a normal pip install requirements. Downloading NumPy. I wonder why it needs NumPy. Thick Nipples, what's up? I've noticed Tech Friend is more programmer than entrepreneur. Yeah? I don't know. Yeah, I guess. Oh, there's an error with the pip. Oh, man. What's the issue? That's weird. Let's ignore that and see if we can just run Python main.py. No. Oh, what? Oh, I'm in poker. Whoops. This isn't what I wanted. Pong. Let's install requirements again. I was like, why do we need NumPy for Pong? Pie game, that's more like it. Okay. Python Pong game. Python main.py. Oh, it's just a black screen. No. That's sad. That's sad. Wait, I actually saw something render briefly when I closed it. No? Wait, what? Oh. Damn. Alright. Does it log any rendering attempts? No, nothing in the logs. And I guess it'd be unfair if I try to debug it, because I didn't try to debug MetaGPT. So that's sad. I was hoping it'd do better. Duration 5 minutes. Issues. Nothing rendered. Working. No errors, I guess. So I'll definitely have to rate it less than 3. So it's probably a 1 out of 10. I mean, if the README was good. Nice README. I'll give it a 2 out of 10. Alright, the chat app. What was the prompt? Let me show you the prompt. Here, create a Pong game. Pretty simple. Now the chat app prompt is a bit more complex, Create a basic chat application enabling real-time messaging between users. Include functionalities for users to join a common chat room, send and receive messages. Let's see how that goes. 1:22 is the start time. Chat app duration 1:22. That's usually how it goes, says Voodoo. Yep. Yeah, I mean, this is something that I noticed before is ChatDev is actually really good at debugging errors, but as you saw in that situation, there was no errors, but there wasn't anything rendered. So the next iteration of ChatDev, which is something that I was trying to do earlier, is actually have like a vision model to test the UI. So the vision model needs to be like, are these elements rendered on the screen, you know? And if it's not, then, you know, change the code to make sure that these elements are rendered. But yeah, we're not there yet. Yeah, exactly. It needs to visually see the result and analyze it. It's definitely, we got the technology to do that. It's not very mature, but we're getting there. So surely the next generation of these agents will be able to visually iterate on this. Linguistics says, I find the more detail I put into prompts, especially with examples, I get better results. Yeah, what would you change for that Pong game prompt to make it work better? Is ChatDev still being worked on, says Thick Nipples? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's have a look at their commit history. Last week, yep. Last week someone committed. So yeah, it's actively being worked on. So it's going to just keep getting better, and hopefully we will see a really good version with vision. And even like someone, I don't know, we could look at, can we look at the pull request, see if anyone's done vision stuff? Let's see. Vision. No one. How about 4V? 4V. Ooh. No. Yeah. Now with this chat app, I don't know how they will test it, but theoretically if it was a CLI app, they wouldn't need vision to test it end to end. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. Create a black and white Pong game that is user controlled by up and down arrows for the player. Pygame to help create this. Yeah, well, I didn't mention any of that, and you can see that it actually did use Pygame as the thing. So Pygame, and it did have up and down arrows, so it did assume all of this stuff itself. So I'm not sure if like if I was to mention those, that it would get better, because I don't think that's where it went wrong. Where the limitation is in actually testing if the code it wrote renders properly. That's the major flaw at the moment. I see you later, Jake. Thank you so much for engagement. The software runs without errors. Yeah, you can see here it's using 3.5 turbo new sometimes. That's probably why it's so fast. It did a great initial start. Just wanted to provide what I learned working with these models. Yeah, no, thank you. It's good. I appreciate all the feedback. Giggle Sticks, thank you so much. It's writing the docs now. Conclusion, I think that's it. 1:27. So always 5 minutes. That's interesting. Every single prompt took 5 minutes. So that's definitely a plus. All right, let's see how the chat game looks. The chat app. Close these off. Manual. View the manual. Let's see. Welcome to the Pong game. Oops, that's not the right one. Hello world site. Wait, where did the chat game? What? Oh, here. Chat app. ChatDev, chat app, basic chat app, real-time communication, Python installed. Clone the ChatDev chat app. Huh? What? Is this a real thing? It just hallucinated a Git repository? Yeah, it did. What the fuck? Python main, start a chat client once the server is running. Does it have requirements? Nope. Alright, we'll figure out the requirements. Let's see, let's test it out. CD warehouse chat application Python main.py. Oh, it didn't look like it ran. Oh my god, look at the main.py. That's not good. Alright. So far, not great. Python chat client. Huh? Chat client. No, that didn't work too good either. Oh my god, that's terrible. I'm giving this a 0 out of 10. Look at the code. It's just 3 import statements. How did that pass the code review? How? Let's have a look at the logs. Oh, it had all this code before. Did it just not write it? What happened? It had all this code. At some point it was like, yeah, here. For some reason, is that where? Yeah, it takes that code. At some reason, it just rewrites everything, removing all the code. What the fuck? I have no idea. That's no good. Really cool, by the way. Always fascinating. Yo, thank you, Google Sticks. Mel says the attention and transform architecture wasn't really designed to be an agent. I think new architectures will come out specifically target these use cases for the demands. Yeah. Plus Jaws, there's a contradiction for commercial use licensing on ChatDev. It says Apache 2, but then it says commercially needs a license. New autonomous AI agents entering the game seem promising. Crew AI. Yeah, I have Crew AI on my to-do list. I might have to do a part 2 of this because I've been streaming for almost 3 hours and we still need to do Task Weaver. So I'm going to do Task Weaver and Crew AI next. Maybe in a part 2 of this stream, potentially tomorrow, probably tomorrow. But yeah, issues. Code was wiped out for some reason. Nothing runs. Working. Nothing. Yeah, that was pretty bad failure for some reason. 1 out of 10. So what's a combined 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 3? 2.3 out of 10. Damn, I'm really sad because ChatDev was so good before I tested it. But now it actually literally got half of MetaGPT's score. So, yeah. That's a bit sad, guys, but yeah. I'm getting... What's Mamba? Mamba? Manba? Oh, I've heard Mamba. Mamba, is that an LLM? It's a 3B model? It's not an agent though, it's like a model, right? What's it good for? Fine-tune Open Llama model is surpassed. multiple. It's just a small model, right? I think I saw a little coder talk about it. Oh, it's a new architecture? Replacing transformers? Oh shit. That's sick. It's alternative to transformers. That's really cool. Okay, I'll put that on my to-do to research. Research Mamba. Thanks for the suggestion, guys. Architecture. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this stream. I'm running out of juice. We will probably continue the Agent Showdown next stream. Let's see. Hopefully Taskweaver and Crew AI can do better than ChatDev and MetaGPT. Who knows? We will find out. Thank you so much for everyone engaging, all the likes, all the comments. Really appreciate it. I hope to see you guys next stream. I reckon I could probably do it same time tomorrow. We're on a 3-day streak. Let's make it 4. Let's make it 10. Could I stream every day for a year? That would be awesome. I'd be really proud of myself if I can do that. But yeah, I don't know. Time will tell. Let's go.